I know that today you're here for a slightly different reason, a reason that may weigh on your heart and cloud your day. You might feel lost and confused, wondering how you'll overcome the breakup with your partner. Well, that's why I'm here today. I want to share with you some advice, tools, and techniques that can help you on this challenging journey. The pain may seem unbearable now, and it may feel like your world has come to a halt. But I promise you, not only will it pass, but you will emerge from it stronger and wiser. In today's video, we will explore together how to navigate the sea of emotions, how to take care of yourself during this difficult time, and how to rediscover the extraordinary person you are. Because yes, you are extraordinary. Don't let a breakup make you think otherwise. So, if you're ready, grab a cup of tea or coffee, get comfortable, and let's embark on this healing journey together. And remember, every step, no matter how small, is a step towards a new beginning. Stay with us because this journey might be exactly what you need to find the light within you. So, let's begin. Accepting your feelings. So, it may seem like a simple concept, but I assure you it's one of the most crucial steps, and sometimes one of the most difficult ones. You see, after a breakup, your mind can become a sort of rainbow of emotions. You might feel sad, yes, because you've lost someone who was part of your daily life. You might feel angry, wondering why things didn't go as you had hoped. You might feel confused, trying to figure out what went wrong, or perhaps you're shocked because the end of your relationship came out of the blue. All of these feelings, and many others, are completely normal. And here's the trick. There's no need to fight them. There's no need to hide them, or be ashamed of them. Because you see, these feelings are yours. They are real, and they have the right to exist just like you. Instead of pushing away these emotions, I invite you to embrace them. Accept them as if they were old friends who have come to visit you. Yes, they may be uncomfortable guests, but they are here for a reason. They are here to help you heal, to help you grow. Giving yourself permission to feel these emotions is a fundamental step in your healing journey. Because only when you truly accept these emotions can you begin to work with them, to understand them, and ultimately, to let them go when the time is right. Remember, there is nothing wrong with you for feeling this way. You are human, and you have the right to experience every single emotion you feel. Take all the time you need, and remember, acceptance is the first step towards healing. Talk about your feelings. It may seem difficult, but trust me, it can make a big difference. After a breakup, it may feel natural to want to keep everything inside, to hide your pain from the world. There's nothing wrong with feeling what you're feeling, and certainly, there's nothing wrong with talking about it. In fact, sharing your feelings can be one of the most effective ways to begin processing them. So, who is the right person to talk to? Well, it could be a trusted friend, someone you've known for years and who has seen you through ups and downs. It could be a family member, someone who loves you unconditionally and will be there for you no matter what. Or it could be a professional, such as a counselor or therapist, someone who can provide you with tools and techniques to help you navigate this sea of emotions. When you talk about your feelings, not only are you making them real, but you're also allowing yourself to see them from a different perspective. You may discover new ways to understand what you're going through, or you may find comfort in knowing that you're not alone in this. Don't be afraid to speak up, to open your heart. It may seem like a small step, but it can be a huge leap forward in your healing journey. Take care of yourself. After a breakup, it may feel like the world as you know it has changed. Your emotions may seem like a tornado, making you feel like you've been swept away. But amidst all of this, there is a constant, a beacon of light that can guide you towards healing. Yourself. Taking care of yourself may look different for each of us, but there are some fundamental things we should all consider. First and foremost, your body. Nourish it with healthy foods, move it with regular exercise, and give it the rest it needs. These actions may seem small, but they can make a big difference in how you feel. Additionally, don't forget to nurture your mind and spirit. Find activities that you love, that make you feel alive. It could be reading a good book, taking a walk in nature, painting, playing a musical instrument, or anything else that fills you with joy. These activities not only distract you from painful thoughts, but they also remind you that there are still beauties and joys to be discovered in the world. Taking care of yourself is not an act of selfishness, but an act of self-love. You are deserving of love and care, especially from yourself. So, in your healing journey, don't forget to pause, breathe, and ask yourself, what can I do today to take care of myself? Set limits. The importance of setting boundaries is often underestimated, but it is a crucial effort to continue on the path to well-being. When a relationship ends, it can be tempting to stay in contact with your ex-partner. You may feel drawn to the idea of remaining friends or simply keeping a line of communication open. But let me tell you, sometimes the best way to heal your heart is to give yourself some space and time away from that person. Setting boundaries doesn't mean that you don't care about that person or that you're trying to punish them. It means that you're doing what's best for you in this moment, that you're prioritizing your needs and well-being. You deserve to be your own priority. Avoiding contact with your ex-partner can give you the emotional space you need to start processing the end of the relationship. It can give you time to heal wounds and rediscover yourself outside of the relationship. Remember, there's nothing wrong with protecting your space and peace. You are worthy of respect, love, and care, and part of that means setting boundaries that help you thrive. Learn from the relationship. Often, defeats teach us more than victories. The opportunity to learn lessons through pain always has something to teach us about relationships. When a love story comes to an end, it may feel like everything was in vain, but I assure you it's not. Every experience we go through, every person we meet, every love we share, offers us valuable lessons, if only we are willing to listen. So, I ask you, what have you learned from this relationship? Perhaps you have discovered new aspects of yourself or gained a better understanding of your needs in a relationship. Or maybe you have learned what things you no longer wish to tolerate. Each of these discoveries is a gift, a pearl of wisdom that you can carry with you into your future. And what might your future in love be? What qualities do you desire in a partner? What kind of relationship do you dream of? Reflecting on these questions can not only help you understand what you truly want, but also aid in personal growth, making you more aware of your needs and desires. Every ending is a new beginning. Every breakup is an opportunity to learn, grow, and renew. So don't be afraid to look back and extract the valuable lessons that your relationship has to offer. Because in the end, these lessons are the steps that will lead you to the love you deserve. Give time to time. I know it may sound like a cliche, but I assure you, time has its own way of healing wounds and bringing a new perspective. The end of a relationship can leave you with a sense of emptiness and confusion. And it may feel like the pain will never fade. But let me tell you, my friend, healing does come. Even though sometimes it may seem slow, healing takes time. It's not a linear process or a goal to be quickly achieved. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, good days and tough days. And during this journey, it's essential to be patient with ourselves. So I invite you to give yourself the time you need. Don't expect to feel better right away or to resolve everything in an instant. Be kind to yourself. Remember that it's normal to feel pain. It's normal to have difficult days. You are not alone in this. Time brings change, evolution, and ultimately, healing. So in your healing journey, I urge you to take all the time you need. There's no rush. You're exactly where you need to be. Well, my friend, we have reached the end of this video. We have shared together 6 valuable tips for overcoming a breakup, and I hope these words have offered you some comfort and guidance. We know that the pain of a breakup can feel unbearable, but I want you to know that you are stronger than you think. You have the strength to overcome this challenging time and emerge on the other side wiser and more resilient. Don't give up. There is a bright future waiting for you, and you are on the right path to reach it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to not miss any other videos and valuable advice on relationships, communication, and couples life. We would love to hear your stories and experiences, so feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you have suggestions for new topics you would like to see covered, let us know. Thank you so much for joining us, and see you in the next video.